Preview. So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the Rainmeter from here. Navigate to the second link and download the Top 4. Now navigate towards the Downloads folder. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. This Rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Now right-click on desktop and hide all the desktop icons. Go to the taskbar settings and turn on automatically hide the taskbar. Now install the Top 4 Rainmeter skin as shown. Open the Rainmeter, make sure to refresh it. Go to Layout and load this Top 4 skins layout. Now change the settings of the Top 4 as shown in the video, and change its appearance as well. You can have the icon of your own choice. I will choose this Mac one. Navigate towards the third link from description and download this drive file. Go to the fourth link and download Portal Doc file. After downloading, navigate towards the Downloads folder. Now extract both of the drive files. Delete these zip files. Open the theme folder. Now set the wallpaper as desktop background. Open the fonts folder. Now install these text fonts. Open the Rainmeter folder. Copy these folders. Go to Documents, Rainmeter, Skins folder. Now paste it here. Go to the Downloads folder one more time. Open the Portal folder. Copy this doc file. Go to Documents, Rainmeter, Skins folder. Now paste it here. Go to the taskbar tray and open the Rainmeter. Make sure to refresh it. Now load all the skins as shown in the video. I hope you will like this clean and cool desktop customization. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.